we are seeing an unique model polling station which gives an information that protection of environment is more important during summer and other times also. And let us hear from the Jilla Panchayat CEO and the chairman of SWEEP, Gitte Madhav Vittal Rao, how these ideas have come. Sir, these are a special ideas which have been generated by you. So what was the motive behind this idea that Parisaras may be polling station?
Yes, so the main intention of, because we have developed 6 special booths. So this is the one of the thematic based booths. So idea is to ensure that our culture, our tradition is being preserved, and through this showcasing of our culture, we are making voters aware and even everyone aware that our what culture was there. So we are, because you see the pots, you see the all these art forms. So
well, also there.
Everything is there. Through this, we want to show to everyone that our this is the festival of democracy. So in festival of democracy, our culture, tradition, we are showcasing.
So how does this improve the voting percentage?
Yes, exactly. So if we showcasing this, people will curiously come. So message will pass from one to another that this polling station has been decorated very beautifully. So everyone will try to come and they will vote there.
SWEEP has been doing unique activities like Rangoli competition, walkathons, cycling, and other things.
Yes.
So, I mean, which thing was more attracted for you?
See,
more touching to you.
See, since 20 days we are doing SWEEP activities every day. So there are different activities: bike rally, Rangoli competition, then walkathon, then jatha, then painting. Our teachers have painted wonderfully at Vandat Circle regarding democracy and every voter awareness thing. So every activities was unique in sense, so because every activity sent one message and a single message that the voting percentage should be improved and all voters should come to voting booth and the polling booth and they should cast their vote. It's invaluable.
So take part in voting and be a responsible citizen was the theme of the SWEEP.
Yes. Even the ECI.
Are you satisfied with the way it worked?
Yes, definitely.